M0FXB. Welcome to my videos learning how to use the JIANPAI 8800 Plus. Okay, JIANPAI 8800 Plus GPS Bluetooth model, known also as the Radtel 490 and lots of other ones. So let's turn it on. So turn this, nice good quality knobs here. And straight away we're in dual mode, and let's show you the P1 button, what that does. That's main and sub, main and sub. P2, frequency mode, which means you can enter frequencies,
4, 2, 2.
like you can see, and also turn the channel change knob and it changes the frequency, and that goes for A and B. A and B is here, look, P1, P2. Channel mode is for pre-stored memories. Now it says 1 there, I'm not sure if there's any more in there. Let's turn this. Yeah, it's got 2 in there. I haven't done any channel memories. So obvious one is the PTT here, and then you've got pre-programmed. This is P2, let me think now. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the programmable buttons. So when it's on, obviously screen timeout's on at the moment, but if you just press the top one, you have broadcast radio, press it again, go back. If you hold it, no, it looks like that's not been programmed. Now let's do the bottom one, because they're all programmable, long and short. Let's press the bottom one. That's changing the power, look. Low, high, you can see that. And obviously if you go to B band, it will change the low, high here as well. If we hold it, that's doing your input, you know, it's basically turning off the squelch, which is pretty cool. And you have got a signal meter there, look, see that? Which is nice. We go to the main band. And then this is a bit unusual, when you PTT on this,
200, frequency mode, 1, 4, 5.
we just go to 2 meters here. When you PTT, oh look, the shift is in place, and I'll just show you that when you PTT, it does go all purple and white here. Look at that, see that? And we're on high power. Let's change the power to a lower one.
On.
Oh yeah, and the white dots go lower to show that. So you can see that if we go back to A band here, like so, A and B. Let's go to the menu, see if we can turn off the timeout on the screen, which I believe is menu 24. So this is your menu button, and this here is your back button. So go menu, and we'll go down if we like to 24. This is as fast as it'll go. Let's see if we get the screen to stay on. 24, ABR, that's basically your screen. Auto brightness, I think. Let's see if we can get it to, it's given us seconds. We actually want it to just stay on, don't we? There we are, on.
Confirm.
They are on, confirmed. Let's back out. And hopefully that'll start to stay on now. If it goes off, then we've done something wrong. Yeah, that's fine. So let's have a look. Let's start from the beginning. We'll go menu. I do like the talk.
Menu.
And then we'll go up and down with the arrows. So look, you can set your offset. So for example, on an average 70 centimeter repeater, go menu, and then we'll hit it again. And let's set it at, we'll go 0, 0, then 7, 6, 0, 0, and then, so we set our offset. I think there is an auto one in there. Let's just go menu again.
Menu.
And then I think we'll start from 1, and then we'll do them one at a time. We'll point out the ones that we think are more important. So 1 is your step. Now, as far as I can see, it's only showing me 2.5 or 5.0.
Menu.
So,
frequency steps.
There it is. I didn't see that. 6.25. That's always a good one. So that's good. And we're on the B band here. See that CTTSS is turned on. Menu. So we'll go up. Memory channels. I don't actually know what that is. Receive CTCSS is on 77, which is quite good.
Menu.
DCS. CTCSS transmit, that's 77, I like that. I'm not going to change that, but to change, you literally just hit this,
CTCSS.
go up or down,
Confirm.
and the one that it stalls, if we just show you,
CSS.
go up one, it stalls the one that's in red. See, that's in red.
Confirm.
Okay, we can go back, or it'll be a timeout, so
Menu.
keep going up. Channel name, we haven't, that'll be separate. Power, well, we know there's a shortcut for that. Usual thing, to change anything, hit this, and then up and down, then hit it again. It confirms it.
Menu.
Roger, is that a Roger beep? Timeout, I've already done that at 480, so look.
Transmit over time.
There you are, and then all you do is just go up or down, select the one that's in red,
Confirm.
confirm. And that goes for pretty much all the settings. Vox, wide or narrow deviation. Voice on off, it's on, I need to know what that means. Language, backlight off or on, is that backlight or was that power off thing? I'm not sure what BCL is, again we'll look that one up. We're just picking out the main ones that we need. Now here's one we need, the offset we did, now we need the shift plus or minus, which is 26. We want that for setting repeaters, so we got that as 26.
Menu.
CTCSS, scan, there's a feature for that,
Menu.
which is quite cool that it can do that. Power on logo or voltage, let's do voltage. Up and down,
Confirm.
confirmed. So the logo doesn't really mean much, does it?
Confirm.
There you go. Let's keep going up and down. Not sure what that means. S code, DTMF code is off. We'll have a play with learning that as well. DTMF there. Tone. No, we don't really need tone unless we're old-fashioned repeaters. PTT. No. Menu exit time. That could do with change. It's a bit short, isn't it, at the moment? I think 10's enough.
Confirm.
So now it will take 10 seconds before it times out.
Confirm.
Or we can just go up and down. Vox. So the ones we need the most, I suppose we need to know how to turn GPS on. That's already on. Bluetooth, I'd like to put that on. So we'll go like so. Highlight red.
Confirm.
Bluetooth's now on. It means we can use our app. Display RX time. Why not? Let's put that on.
Confirm.
Okay. Reset the whole lot. So what we're looking for is really the transmit CTCSS is quite key. So that's menu number 6. And the receive is menu 4. Right, so let's get a repeater in there. So what we'll do, I know everything's already on here. We'll go to the A band. With the P1, we'll go to A. Okay, we're at A at the moment. We're on 2 meters. There's already a shift there. We're going to type in the frequency of a local repeater that I know, which is 430925. Okay, we could turn this, but we've typed it in. Now we want to select the CTCSS, which I think is already on. So we'll go menu,
Menu.
and it's on menu number 4, and it is on. Look, receive CTCSS. You can actually turn it off, if I remember right. Anyway, then we'll go up to the next one, which is TX 77 Hertz. Happy with that. If we want to change it, you would have gone menu, change it like that, and then confirm.
Confirm.
Okay, keep going up. So we've got tone. Now we want our shift. So our shift, I'm pretty sure, is 26. Go to 26. There you are, and we want that on. So we're going to go,
Frequency direction.
there you go, and we want that to be plus.
Confirm.
So we've done it as a plus, okay? So we got that. And remember, we remember at one point we put in the shift frequency because we wanted to make sure it was 7.6. So let's have a look for that. Whilst we're going, I noticed on 46 is TDR, and that's twin receive, so it receives on A and B band. So the offset frequency is on menu number 25.
Menu.
So there you go, menu, and if you want to change that, hit it again
Frequency.
and type it in. So it was 0, 7, 6,
0.
and then OK. Now if it was like a 2 meter repeater, you would put 0.6 thousand, maybe 600. I'll try it in a sec. Should we try it now? Well, let's do what we've done so far and then we'll test it on that. So if we key here, not sure if we're in range of the repeater. If the shift is on, we're on the A band. Look, we should be seeing a shift here. See that? It's staying on the channel there. So the shift, it hasn't turned on. So we'll go back in and turn that on. And that was menu 26. There's the, see it's gone off. So we'll go like that.
Direction.
On.
Confirm.
There you go. Back out. And now we've got a minus there now. There you go. It's doing it, but it's not the right amount of shift. We want it to be 7.6. So it's not shifting enough there. So we might have to put the 7 here. Let's just check. So we'll go like so. And then we're going to change it again.
Offset frequency.
This time we're going to do 1, 0, 7, then 6.
0. Confirm.
Confirmed. Let that back out. And now when we key, we're looking for 438. Now it's gone to a minus shift again. So we'll go menu. We want to go menu again.
Direction.
We want the red flashing.
Confirm.
And we back out. There you are. And you can see it's opened up the repeater there. It's gone green. So that's good. Now let's just do the 2 meter one. I won't show you how to put it in memory yet. And you know you can do all this just using a phone app. I'm doing it on here anyway. We'll do a separate video for memories. So we're still in VFO mode. We'll go 1, 4, 5, 6.
0.
And if we key now, it's probably all wrong, yeah? So now let's check the shift. So we said we'd go menu. We want the shift to be minus, don't we? Minus flashing, click OK, go back, menu, go down 1. We want the shift to be, I think, 6,000. We'll go menu. So we'll go 0, 0, 6.
0. Confirm.
Okay, let's back out and see if that's the right shift. Yes, it is. And then we'd have to get the tone in as well. This is for GB3WR. Okay, so we go menu. And then we go to menu number 4. We might be able to just push number 4. I haven't tried that. Might be able to just push 4 here. Oh, you can, yeah. You can just select 4. Then we go, this is receive. And we're going to go to 94.8. We want it in red.
Confirm.
Okay. And then we go up to TX.
CTCSS.
94.8.
Confirm.
Right, we got that in. Don't think we'll get it up here. I mean, the antenna on this is for 70 centimeters. 145,600 minus. We got the tone. So that is the right figure, the 600 that we put in on number 20. Was it 26? Was it 25? There you are. So that's what you put in for 2 meters. Right, I poked it out the window and keyed, and it did open up the repeater. So it does work. Okay, and then another couple of bits is if we hit the top button here just once, because we haven't changed it from default.
On.
You've got radio.
I didn't even bother applying for the pet.
Saw that. And pretty sure if you long press it, it starts to scan.
Scanning begin.
Yeah, scan and begin. Look, it's starting to scan. So long press the top one. And I think if you long press it again,
Scanning stop.
it stops. So all these buttons can be programmed short and long press. That's P1, P2, P3, P4. They can all be changed. I'm going to leave them as default. But you just find them in the menu. So you just go menu like so. And just remind you that the Bluetooth is on 51 and 50.
Confirm.
Which is on now. Look, Bluetooth logo there. I think you can either have the Bluetooth or the GPS. You can't have both. I'll leave the Bluetooth on for now because we're going to use the app soon. So your programmable buttons, you go menu and go to 21. Look, you can choose on PF2, which is this one. Let's get it right. It says radio PF2.
Menu.
I thought that was PF2 there. Yeah, so just on the programmable buttons, you just go menu, go to 21, and you hit this, and you can change the PF2. This is, and you've got the long and short. Just change it like that, and select something different, like so. And menu 22 is the long press, same again, and then menu 23 again, the short press here, and that's it. So thanks for watching. There's more on this radio, but I thought I'd give you an overview. You've got the speaker connector here. Battery seems pretty straightforward. Just pull it here and it just clips out like so. And it looks like a good battery to me. Been using it for quite a while and it's got loads of charge in it. I think it's a good battery. Programmable buttons. The antenna, yeah, not too impressed with the antenna, to be honest. GPS is on at the moment. Let's go to B band a minute. Yeah, so GPS, I think you hit that. And there's GPS. I'm not sure if that looks accurate. Oh, it's still looking for a lock. It's not been on long. Like I said, the Bluetooth's in the menu. So thanks for watching. I'm sure there's more we can learn. I mean, it's a budget radio, 60 odd £. You can, it's a nice little toy to play with. The screen does look amazing. I think that's the biggest appeal is the screen and the fact that it's dual band, of course. Dual band, I think, is always a very fun radio to use. And this will get air band, marine band, and lots of other bands. Nice big LED on it as well, and then emergency button. Not really done anything with that. So 7.3, thanks for watching. Catch you on air. All the best. M0FXB.